Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has promised to uphold its culture of quality service delivery to bring about rapid development in the Niger Delta region. The board and management of the commission made the pledge recently following a send-up ceremony organized for retired directors of the commission in appreciation of their dedication to duty while in service.
At a recent send-off ceremony organized in honor of retired directors of the NDDC who had served the commission meritoriously, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, noted that it was necessary to honor them, having spent many years of their lives working to develop a largely backward region like the Niger Delta. He said although they were retired, their wealth of experience and past contributions would continue to inspire the current board and management of the commission.
Some of you have given the best part of your life to the service of the NDC and the Niger Delta. And we thought it was necessary to honor you in our own little way. We thought it was an opportunity for you to come with your family. Let them understand that where you were working, you were also loved and you're still loved.
NDDC projects have become the only visible government presence in some Niger Delta communities. According to the chairman of the governing board of the NDDC, Mr. Chiedu Ebi, the retired directors were part of the NDDC success story and should be recognized as such.
First of all, commend the managing director for this initiative, for recognizing the people that have contributed towards the development and the growth of the commission. And for those of us that have taken over from you, we also intend putting our best and ensure that we are able to change the narrative of the commission.
Some of the retired directors described as worthwhile their years of service, while others expressed confidence in the ability of their successors to sustain and improve on the quality of service delivery by the NDDC.
I recall days in the past, years ago, we used to go into the creeks to plant projects, supervise those projects and see them to completion. Those were sacrifices we made.
I've worked with all the various MDs since inception to date, whether acting or whatever. But I can tell you that in the last 12 months, there's a remarkable difference.
The recent send-off ceremony organized for the retired NDDC directors is the first since its establishment in 2000.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,